Hi everyone, welcome to the IoT Hero Show, my weekly showcase of thought leadership in the Internet of Things. My name is Tom Raftery, I'm the Global IoT Evangelist for SAP, and now, on with the show. Hey everyone, we're at the IoT Hero Show, and we are here at Sapphirenow 2018 in Orlando, and with me I have Mike. Mike, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, thanks. This is Mike Lackey. I am the Global Head of Solution Management for Manufacturing here at SAP. We're standing here at Sapphire 2018, looking to ride the momentum we had at Hanover Fair just a few months ago, where we announced a lot of new innovation in manufacturing, including our cloud strategy that is going to provide options and really extend the value of our customers and what they're trying to do in manufacturing up into the cloud, not just in analytics and insights, but in execution itself, bringing a manufacturing network. So it's exciting times, and we look forward to building that momentum and continuing those conversations here with a much wider audience at Sapphire.
So, I know very little about manufacturing, Mike. Explain to me, how are customers using cloud in manufacturing? How does that work?
Well, if you look at what's happening, the global expansion, the global manufacturing and global operations, it's not about one plant anymore. I have 40 plants. I have 400 plants. I mean, Nestle's a prime example. They're wanting to tie 400 plants together. Common standards in their process, standards in their reporting, standards in their analytics. They want that visibility. They get a better ability to move their production and to better support their customers. So what we're seeing here is that as you do this global expansion, you have mega plants that will stay on-premise for some time, always on, 24/7, as the cloud gets more stable, security, and speed, right? Yeah. But there are plants that they can't justify the IT, but they want that data. They want to collect that data and make it a part of that as-built record, a part of that digital twin. And so what we're doing with the cloud is saying, you know what? We can give you a very robust, cost-effective solution for all your plants, whether they're the heavy mega plants or these micro plants that you're using to get closer to the customer. It's just a way of listening to our customers and providing them with the innovation that can tie all their global operations together. And that's what we're doing with the cloud.
Fascinating. Any other interesting areas that we're moving into?
Well, we continue to see networks. And so we just announced our manufacturing network. And what we're doing in that is bringing not only 3D printing, additive manufacturers to your supply chain, but also going through the Ariba network with our integration. We're allowing our customers in manufacturing now to go out there and find vendors. Think about it. Ariba has over 30,000 discrete manufacturers in their network. By that connection, you have access to that network, all those customers. And then I'm telling people, in this digital world, you do realize when you connect to the network like Ariba, there's over 3 million potential customers in one connection. Can you imagine what happened if you got 2% success in 180? That's 60,000 new customers, not orders, new customers. So this digital age and the scale at which we can access customers, manufacturers are looking at the way they manufacture. We're seeing move from linear manufacturing to modular. I have a customer in the UK making engines. They're making 4-cylinder diesel petrol, V6 diesel petrol, and V8 diesel petrol on a single production line based on demand and order. The flexibility and the agility that they're building into their manufacturing operations to achieve that lot size of one, to add that value, that customer experience. Is phenomenal, and SAP's right at the heart of that. So it's exciting times in manufacturing. I think Bill McDermott said it best this morning: the speed at which we innovate is at an all-time high. Man, that could not be even better said for manufacturing. Innovation that we're bringing to our customers down to the shop floor into manufacturing is at a phenomenal rate right now. It's just an exciting time to be a part of SAP and what we're doing here.
As you say, exciting times. Mike, that's been great. Thanks a million for coming to the show.